Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to buy the Saitama token on Bitmart. It's one of the easiest place to buy it real quick, so I'll show you exactly how to buy it. So you want to go to Bitmart, and when you get to Bitmart you're going to need to create an account. It literally takes like 2 to 3 minutes to create one. Once you have an account, now obviously you have no money and you need to deposit money into your account to be able to buy the token. So there are two ways that you can deposit money into your Bitmart wallet. The first and easiest way is to buy it with your credit card. So what you want to do is go to the buy and sell right over here at the top, and then you want to buy the USDT stablecoin. It's a stablecoin, which means that when you buy it, your money is going to remain the same. Like the USDT stablecoin is not as volatile as all the other crypto, so the value in your money will stay the same no matter what. It will not move as much. So you want to click on USDT on the area where it says receive crypto. You click on that and search for USDT. And then after that, at the bottom where it says pay, you want to search for which currency that you're going to pay with. So for me, it's the Canadian dollar. So I would click Canadian dollar and then select how much you want to spend, like how much money you want to put into your account. So I'll put here 500 and then click on buy. Okay, and then now you have a few options here of which you can buy it. You can use the MoonPay and pay with your Visa or MasterCard or Apple Pay, or this second option here, Simplex. Just buy it, and yeah, it's pretty simple. So once you've done that, now the money will be added into your account. It will be added into your wallet. To see the USDT, you want to hover over to your username up here and then go to asset. So when you're in assets, this is going to show you, this is basically your wallet for all the cryptocurrency that is available on Bitmart. Okay, as you can see, a lot of this shows 0, which means that it shows that you don't have any money, you don't have any of these coins. If it shows 0, it means you don't have any of these coins, right? But if you wanted to get these coins, then you would just go over here on the far right and just click deposit or trade. But you cannot trade it because you need to have money in your account, which you'll be able to trade it for. So anyways, once you purchase your USDT, it would be under here. If you wanted to find it, you just go to your asset, see here, and then go to asset. Then you see here, it should be at the top, USDT, and it will show you here how much USDT you have available. Now that is one way to buy USDT. The second way, if you don't have a credit card, you can also transfer the USDT from a different exchange. So let's say you have a USDT from a different exchange like Binance or crypto.com, KuCoin, whichever, then you can transfer that USDT from that exchange into Bitmart. And how you can do that is here on the far right side on USDT far right side, you just click on deposit, right? And then at the bottom here, you get your address. This is the address that you need to copy and go and paste it to the other exchange where you want to withdraw the money from. So on that exchange, when you want to withdraw the money, you would go to the cryptocurrency, click on that and select on withdraw, and on the next page it's going to ask you to put in the address. So this is the address that you want to put on that box, this address here. So you copy it and go to the other exchange and paste that address over there. And then the network that you want to select, or the chain you want to select, is the ERC20 network. Select that. That is the one for USDT. You select that, make sure it is exactly the ERC20 network, And then once you're done with that, then you will transfer the money into this account. It takes about like 30 minutes up to an hour for you to receive the funds into your account when you're using Bitmart. So after an hour or so later, then you can come back to your account, go to asset, then you will see, so go to asset here, you should be able to see your money deposited after an hour or so. Now once you have the money in your account, now you're ready to buy Saitama. To be able to buy Saitama, you want to go to over spot at the top left here, and then go to standard. Okay, once you go to standard, on the top right here where it says search, you want to search for Saitama. Okay, and it's right here, the Saitama USDT. Then it's gonna come up, scroll down to the bottom, and you want to buy Saitama. Right now over here it's asking for price. This is basically what price do you want to buy Saitama at. So Saitama is currently at 0.0000090. That's what it's currently at. So in this box here, you want to put that price, which price Saitama needs to be at for you to buy it, right? So you can put the current price if you want to buy it right away, or if you want to buy it when it dips further, then you can put that price. So right now, I'll put it here. So 0.000000090. I put that price, that's the current price of Saitama. It's fluctuating every second, but I'm just going to put that. And then now you put here on the amount, you want to put the amount of Saitama that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 10 million, whatever. Look at that, it's so cheap. Like, it's going to cost you 90 cents. To be able to buy 10 million Saitama, it's literally going to cost you 90 cents. So that you can buy a trillion. So just put however many Saitama you want to buy over here. And then once you're done with that, you got to make sure that you have the money, right? You can afford it. At the bottom, it'll tell you the total that this is going to cost you. So for me here, you can see this is the cost. Yeah, that is the cost. So if you have that amount of money in there, then you will click on buy. And if you don't have that amount of money in your USDT wallet, you will get this message here that says insufficient balance. This means that you don't have that amount. So that is basically it. Once you place the order, I'm gonna try to buy one right now. I have approximately 54 cents. So let me see if I can buy one Saitama. So let me buy 18. Let me buy 18 Saitama. So obviously you can see I can't really buy it. It says here total must be greater than 5 USDT. So it means I have to spend, the minimum you can spend is 5 USDT, and right now I'm not spending that amount. It's way less than 5 USD. So I can't buy it because I don't have that amount in my account. But if you did, you'll be able to buy it. So once you select how much you want to buy, the amount, then just click buy, and then boom, after like a few minutes, your orders should go through down here. You have open orders, and it's going to start getting filled until it will show you the percentage of how much is getting filled here on the right side. And it should take, like, I'll say up to 30 minutes the latest for it to get filled. And once it's filled, then you can see your Saitama by going to your assets. Right over here, you go to assets, and it will show you your Saitama. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now you got yourself some Saitama. If you follow through all the steps that I just showed, then you'll be good to go. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Have a great day.